So the other day we started off our vlog in Costa. Today we started it off in Starbucks. We are back down at Canterbury, where my mum and dad are staying in their caravan, and today we are heading into Folkestone. So we're going to have a little wander around there, maybe go down on the beach. There's supposed to be good sea glass down there because it used to be a glass factory years ago, so a lot of the glass ended up in the sea, so it's a good spot for that. And then yeah, I don't know what else we're going to do. We're going to have a look and see what else is down there. So I've just got to Folkestone, just parked along the seafront. We're just heading along to the harbour arm, I think it's called, and there's they have like craft stalls and little food places there. I'm not sure if it's actually open today because I don't think it's open every day, but we're just going to have a little wander along, and then we're going to find somewhere that's called Petticoat something or other, vintage, I don't know, I'll tell you exactly what it's called in a minute because I can't remember. But yeah, we're going to have a little wander along there as well. It is raining and we don't have a jacket, but it's only light rain, so we'll be fine. This is like an old station. My curry, but I have already started eating it.
What? Yeah.
Get it then. Oh yeah.
Postcards. Well, 2 of them rolled.
What date has that got on it?
These are
2026, so we're in the future.
1920.
So I don't get these little rabbit
Got the mirror. Turn that over.
85.
That's not that bad.
I want that for my room and put a candle in.
I was to say, I reckon you'll find bits that you like in here. And some violins, have you? I love this sign and these scales. I'd love them in a nice sort of country kitchen. Lucy's going to play a bit of giant
I don't even know what
Game
to do.
Boy.
You're the one
Well, it's just like a Mario, isn't it? That's all it is. It's just a bit more pixelated. Start. Push start, the grey one. There. Come on.
Oh,
You died already?
no, I went to the
You died. Oh, okay.
I need to like.
That shop, the Petticoat Emporium, is so cool. It's like lots of little stall things, like little units, and some things are like vintage, second-hand stuff, some's new, some's artist, some craft. But it's really, really good. It's got some lovely bits in it. Well worth a visit. This shop is all you, Lucy.
Yup. That's cute.
That's nice. So, something very weird just happened. And the first time it's happened, I think. Is it the first time?
Yeah.
Lucy just had someone come up to her and went, "Are you Lucy Parker off of TikTok?" And she was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "Well, are you really?" She's like, "Yeah." He's like, "Oh, can I have a photo?" So she's just been recognised out in the wild, which is really weird. But has made her day. So we didn't have time in the end to go down to the beach to look for sea glass and stuff. Where we parked, it was a 5-hour maximum stay, and by the time we'd sat and had lunch and stuff, we'd used up our whole 5 hours. So there's still lots of Folkestone we didn't get to see, so we will definitely be going back again. But it's lovely. I love the old high street. Oh, sorry, the sun's really bright today. Yeah, the old high street with the lots of little shops, and the arts, all the art. I love all that. So yeah, we'll definitely be going back. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.